Now available at McCarthy Cars, 2012 Chevrolet Captivo VCDI turbo diesel with a 2.2 engine and 184 horsepower. Vehicle's got a 17-inch of Chevrolet alloy wheels, side steps and roof rails. It's got also rear parking sensors. This is a 7-seater. The front view of the vehicle is got front forks. It's got very clean exterior. Bodywork is very clean. So the interior of the vehicle is a matching half leather with 7 headrests. It's got ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with 2 cup holders, and for your safety it's got front side and rear airbags.